Hello guys, Tandanando. I'm in a store room. So okay, just finished my lunch. I wanted to announce guys that I've listed my number on the description on my video. You can check any like recent videos. I've listed my number. Please send me instant money. Donate to me with instant money or eWallet. I need donations guys to keep this movement going. Please subscribe to the channel. You can donate with airtime also if you want. 5 rand, 10 rand, going upwards, anything that you can help with, please help guys, because I want to collaborate with or player bakulu who will teach more fun stuff. See, so guys, please subscribe, watch videos, donate please guys. I need donations guys. Thanks, Sana Nalo Bafetu. Catch you next time.